Hello and welcome back to episode 22 of 30 Days, 30 Logos. I'm David from Grayfish Design, and today we've got an email from no one. It's just an email from 30 Logos. No person, no company. Let's read it. You've almost made it through the entire 30 Logos Challenge series. Feels pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
We hope you've learned, improved, been frustrated, been excited, and above all, felt challenged. Let's take a little break from the client-directed challenges and try something different. We'd like to focus on you. As a designer, do you have your own personal logo? If not, design your own at this point for challenge number 22. If you have a current logo, are there ways you could improve it? Perhaps there are some ideas you can try for a new look. Designing for yourself is classically one of the biggest challenges for so many designers. Below are some ideas that help you design your own personal branding. I really do not like designing for myself because the design is never done. It's never perfect. It's never done. You can always do something more. And critiquing your own design, that's really the most difficult thing there is. But hey, it's a challenge, so let's face it. So I started with my own logo, of course, which you guys probably have seen already. And I thought, let's just remake it with the pen tool. Let's see how far we get. Make it a little bit more modern, a little bit more simplistic. So I drew a fish with the pen tool, making it geometrically correct. I rounded off the corners, I thickened the line. And what I wanted to do is make it seem as if it is floating above itself. So I added a white line with the same thickness and put it on top. And on top of that I added a black line so it would look like it floated on itself. Then I made the entire thing more thick, and I'm gonna be honest, I like this version quite a lot. So I looked at it and thought, what can I change? What more can I do? But I thought, this is really cool, really modern. I like it, so I expanded it. And then I added the text, which I wanted to keep the same because, I don't know, it's part of me, I guess. So this is what I came up with. I really like it. I think it's really modern, really simplistic. I don't know if I will implement it, but hey, maybe, never say never. So let me know what you guys think of it. Do you like it or don't you like it, or do you have any feedback? In the comments down below. The final image cannot be seen on my site because there's practically no use for it, but it will be available on my Instagram, which is also linked down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next episode of 30 Days, 30 Logos. Bye bye.